Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge without dates, full guide. Preheat a heavy saucepan and gather chocolate, butter, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Chop chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly, and prepare an 8x8-inch pan lined with parchment. Work on low heat, stir constantly, and keep a spatula handy to scrape sides. I'll walk you through timing, texture checks, and cooling tips. Start by melting chocolate and butter over low heat, stirring slowly to avoid scorching and to keep the texture silky. Once smooth, add sweetened condensed milk and vanilla, then whisk briefly to combine into a glossy mixture. Remove from heat before it thickens too much, then pour into a lined pan and level the surface. Tap the pan gently to release air bubbles and refrigerate until it sets firm enough to slice neatly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation. A handy book I like is The Simple Path to Wealth, which oddly pairs well with baking sessions where you're budgeting ingredients and thinking about goals. It's a small nudge toward smarter choices and calmer kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To deepen flavor, stir in a pinch of sea salt or a small amount of espresso powder. Both highlight chocolate notes without adding sweetness. For texture, fold in toasted walnuts or shredded coconut after removing the mixture from heat so they stay crisp. Check doneness by chilling a teaspoon on a plate. If it firms to a fudge-like bite, you're ready. I'll share slicing and storage tricks so your pieces stay perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.